Subscribe to my channel Making Impossible and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any one of my upcoming videos.
Yo, what's up friends? I'm Shalazari and welcome back to Making Impossible, the channel that teaches you how to make the impossible and be the smartest person in the room. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you a really cool color changing technique called the Bertram color change. Now, this color changing technique is one of the most visual color changes that you can perform while doing card tricks, but it is also a really tricky one. So I'll try my best to explain this technique the easiest way possible to you guys, and I'm gonna do that after showing you the performance of the color change. So without any further ado, let's start our today's video. This week's Instagram feature goes to Tano. Follow this person on Instagram. Link is given in the video description.
I'll feature one lucky Instagram user every Monday in my Smack That Monday episodes. If you want your Instagram profile or page to be featured in my next Smack That Monday episode, follow the simple steps that are given in the video description. So now, let's continue. Okay guys, here's a quick performance of the card trick. Now as you can see, I have this deck of cards and I'm just going to select a random playing card from the center. In this case it is the 7 of diamonds. I'm just going to keep the 7 of diamonds wherever it was. Now I'm just going to shuffle these cards just like that and makes the 7 of diamonds. Now I'm just going to take a look at the top card, and in this case it is the 10 of clubs. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the 10 of clubs and I'm just going to wave my hand on front of it, and you'll see that the 10 of clubs have turned itself into the 7 of diamonds. So that's how the card trick looks like. That's how the Bertram color change looks like. Let's see how you can do this color changing card trick. Okay guys, this is how you're going to do the Bertram change. Now for doing the Bertram change, you need to know how to do a double lift, and you need to know how to maintain that double lift throughout so that your spectator doesn't suspect you of using two cards as one. So all you're going to do is you're going to do a double lift and then you're going to proceed on to the Bertram change. So right now, as you can see, it looks like that I have only one card in my hand, but in reality I have two cards as one. Now for doing the Bertram change, it depends on which hand you're going to use to do the Bertram change. Now since I'm right-handed while doing the Bertram change, that means I'm going to wave my right hand on top of the card to change it. I'm going to hold the card just like this across these two opposite diagonal corners of this card where the value of the card is printed. So I'm just going to hold the cards from right over there in order to do the Bertram change, since I do the Bertram change with my right hand. If you're left-handed, you just have to move the hand from these positions to this position, and then you're going to mirror the entire rest of the video so that it's easy for you to learn this move. But since I am right-handed, I'm going to do it in this way. So all you have to do is you have to have these cards in this point, and then while you're going to do the change, since I'm right-handed, I'm going to move the right side of my body towards the spectator. If you are left-handed, you would move the left side of your body towards the spectator. Since I'm right-handed, I'm just going to perform it just like that. I'm going to move the right side of my body towards the spectator, and while I do that, in this big motion, I'm also doing a small movement, that is, I'm having the card just like this, and I have my right hand index finger right at this corner and also the right hand middle finger just below the second card. Now as I move this side, I am stripping the second card from the bottom by twisting it with the help of my middle finger along this index finger. I'm twisting that card, and the card is coming from that position to that position, and this all happens while I turn my right side of the body towards the spectator. And while I do that, that move actually happens and the card is right now inside this hand, and it is not visible because the spectators won't be able to see this side of the hand because my hand is right now in this position. Now all you have to do is you have to just transfer this palming into the tenkai palming, okay? And then all you have to do is, while you're still holding the card at this corner with your left hand, you're just going to go over here and then you're going to try to match this corner with this corner of the card. And as you do that, you're going to do that under the cover of the right hand, and as you do that, all you're doing is you're keeping your your middle finger right over here, and then you're just going to pull down the card with your thumb over here so that this card again twists along this pivot point and it comes right over here and matches up with that card. So
All you're doing is you're holding the card just like this. As you're moving, you're stripping the card just like that. You're taking it into the tenkai position, and then you're going over here, matching this corner of the card with this corner of the card under the cover of this hand, and then you're just keeping your middle finger over here and then sliding down along this edge of the card, and you're using your thumb to slide down along this edge of the card, which will actually make that card rotate and uh, square up with that other card. But all that happens under the cover of the other hand, which is in front, and in that way it looks like that this card has changed into the other one. Now this color change is also angle sensitive. For that reason, you won't be able to perform this directly under the spectator's eyes. You have to just stand a little far away from the spectator so that you can get enough cover of this hand while you're doing the color change, and the spectator won't be able to get a peek from the top that you are stripping this card out. So if you stand a little far away from the spectator just like that, if you strip the card, they won't have a clue, and then you do the color change and they will see that the card has changed magically in front of them. Now that is how the Bertram change is done. To apply this while you are doing any card trick, all you have to do is you have to have this entire deck of cards, and after your spectator selects any random playing card, you have to just control it to the top of the deck, and then you're just going to do a double lift, and after doing the double lift, you're just going to do the Bertram change just like that, as I taught you, just like that, and it would look like you have magically changed that card into the spectator selected card. So this is how the Bertram change is done, and that's it for the tutorial. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you did so, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Shoelazari. Also, if you have any questions, you can use the comment section for that, and don't forget to subscribe to my other channel, Pretty Savage channel. I post funny videos over there, and the link to that channel will be given right in the description box as well as in the cards. And don't forget to smash the subscribe button of this channel if you're not a subscriber yet, and turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss my upcoming videos and my future Smack That Monday episodes. Peace.